Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mr. Escobedo, obviously, and today, hopefully, I will have this play posit ready and working and active for you guys. But today, we are going to get into our new topic, which is conductors and insulators. So, I hope you guys had a good weekend. Let me see if I can post a question about that. Please let me know. But so we can get into our topic for today, I want to know is before I do now, think about this. Why is it important to wear rubber gloves when handling electrical wires? Why not just going straight off with no gloves? I want to know your ideas on this, please. All right. So here's our objective for today. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So let me know. Students will be able to compare and contrast conductors and insulators and list examples for each. There is a worksheet that I will probably give you guys directions before, but I want to know what you guys think conductor and insulators are, if you can list these examples. I'm pretty sure you guys can because you guys are amazing. But let's keep going. So what are conductors? Conductors are materials which permit a flow of electricity. Um, I'm probably blocking this, but the question I have here says, what would happen if you touched the metal spoon in this hot pan? Now, this happens to me almost all the time when I'm at home cooking or making any type of meal, usually when I'm making like a soup. And my fiance is always like, Fabian, use the wooden spoon. You're always burning your hand. And I'm like, ah. But, anyways, guys, you guys are obviously smarter than me. Let's think about what would happen, okay? So anyway, since I brought that up, examples of conductors and insulators. So mostly metals are always good conductors of electricity, right? And usually that helps the flow of electrons or the heat. All right. I know we've spoken about this. So let's talk about the other side. What are insulators? Insulators are materials that do not allow the flow of electricity. All right. So then going back to our first picture, insulators like plastic, rubber, glass, paper, wood, sand, and etc. So this person using gloves, right? So the flow of electricity doesn't go through him would be an example of an insulator. So here is the question. Can all everyday materials pass along electricity? What are your thoughts on this? All right. And our reflection question. Compare and contrast conductors and insulators. Let me know what types of metals you can come up with, right? You can even go on Google, search them up. Give me a list, right? And also, what are some insulators? We just went over a few, I believe. And if you are done with this, play pause it. Please get started on your worksheets. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? Adios. Peace out.